Hi, this is The King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us dive into the misconception that many of us fall into. The idea that the harder we work, the more money we'll earn. Wealth builders, while effort is important, there's a hidden truth that working smarter, not harder, can actually lead to earning more. So, let's not waste any time and join your king as we explore 4 ways to work less and make more money, all while following the paths of the wealthy. First on our list of ways to work less and make more money is setting an achievement date. Imagine this, wealth builders. You have a burning desire to achieve success, but without a specific target in mind, it's like wandering aimlessly in a foggy forest. So, obviously, setting an achievement date is one of the keys that unlock the door to working smarter and achieving greatness. Like the legendary billionaire Warren Buffett once wisely stated, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." As your king, I must say that this quote isn't just about shady trees. It's an emblematic reminder that goals, such as financial prosperity, require thoughtful planning as well. Wealth builders, when you have a well-defined goal and a set time frame, you become more accountable for your actions, which translate into increased productivity and focus, ultimately optimizing your earning potential. You want that, right? Now, with this newfound efficiency, you can generate the most revenue or explore innovative avenues to increase your earning potential, eventually leading you to a higher income and more financial freedom. Wealth builders, your king wants you to take charge of your own financial destiny, set clear goals with specific deadlines, and watch as you unlock the potential to work smarter, not harder, and enjoy greater financial success. Next up, we have determining the precise number of your working hours. Wealth builders, it is impossible to figure out how to work less and earn more if you are unaware of the number of hours you currently work. So, to achieve the elusive goal of working less and making more money, it is crucial for you to determine the precise number of your working hours. As the renowned author Robert Kiyosaki suggests in his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, don't work for the money, let the money work for you. So, by analyzing the amount of productive time we have in a day and aligning it with our income goals, we can create a well-structured schedule that maximizes efficiency and leads to a healthy work-life balance. Additionally, wealth builders, automating and leveraging technology can significantly enhance your earning potential. Whether it's using software that automates repetitive tasks or employing digital marketing strategies to reach a wider audience, incorporating technology into your workflow can streamline operations and amplify your results. It will save time, big time. In conclusion, by determining your ideal working hours and leveraging technology, as your king, I know that you can optimize your efforts and maximize your earning potential. So, let us take control of our work-life balance, prioritize our time effectively, and witness the remarkable benefits of increased financial achievement. Now, for the third item on our list, let's discuss the importance of appropriately pricing your products and services. Wealth builders, setting the right prices for your products and services is a fundamental aspect of striking the right balance and maximizing your potential to earn more. For example, consider the advice of Mark Cuban, the well-known entrepreneur and investor who advises to make your product easier to buy than your competition, or you will find your customers buying from them, not you. This signifies the importance of pricing your products and services correctly. Pricing your products or services too low can result in overworking for meager profits, while charging too much can deter potential customers and lead to losing them to your competitors. Therefore, setting fair prices based on the value you provide is fundamental. This way, you can attract the right customers to appreciate your worth and are more likely to remain loyal to your brand. In turn, this can lead to increased revenue, effectively allowing you to work less while earning more. Just as your king always says, it's a win-win situation. But before we proceed to our final method of working less and increasing our income, your king has a question for all our wealth builders. Do you have an inspiring story to share about working fewer hours while still earning more? Feel free to share your experiences and insights in the comments below and inspire your fellow wealth builders. Now, let's get back to the video. And finally, our last but certainly not the least, we have taking charge and leading confidently. Wealth builders, this aspect is of utmost importance. As the influential media mogul Oprah Winfrey emphasizes, create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life because you become what you believe. Your king wholeheartedly agrees. Taking charge and leading confidently